Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're going to be covering one specific comment that I've been getting a lot in my videos was that how to use the images from PIXABAY and Dash websites without violating the copyright issue and using them on the print-on-demand websites like Redbubble, Teepublic, and yeah. So I have already made a video talking about how to use them, what are the license agreement, and how to not violate their copyright issues and to sell them on these print-on-demand websites. But I haven't shown you how to do it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to modify these images using software. So how to modify them in a way so that you can use them on Redbubble, Teepublic, and print-on-demand websites. So I'm going to hover onto my laptop in a second at the back. And before that guys, I'm going to tell you that I haven't done it personally for myself because I upload the designs that I've made it from scratch. Since I'm an artist and I'm a designer, so I make my own designs from scratch in the Photoshop. Usually I upload the textures, and if I'm not uploading the textures or gradients, then I personally made my own digital art with my own phone and like with my own application, my own digital art from scratch. So I haven't done this method personally. I haven't used it for myself. So when I got this comment, I just googled it. I just go onto the YouTube and search like how I can do this because I haven't done it for myself. Found some solutions. So guys, I'm gonna pick up a very simple solution. Now there are so many ways, there are so many softwares out there in which you can do that, but I'm gonna pick up a very simple and easy one for you guys if you want to do the same, so that it can help you and without you needing to have any designer experience or anything like that. So let's get straight into my laptop, and before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want a bunch of the free guides and free stuff for making your own print-on-demand designs or for your KDB interiors or graphics, whatever it is, you can download all the free guides in the description box below. The complete freebies are in the description box below. You can download them and you can use them. So let's hop into my laptop. Currently we are on the PIXABAY. Now I'm gonna pick up one image and we're just gonna proceed and edit them and see that how we can edit them. So I'm just gonna see any images. So let's take an image, something related to the flower. So let me just take it as a flower and enter. So just pick up one flower, like there are so many flower images over here. So I'm just gonna pick up any one. Let's see. So I think guys, I'm gonna go with this one, blue poppy. So just click over to this and free download. Now you can see that there are so many dimensions in which you can download them. It depends on you, whatever dimension you want to go, but I think I'm gonna go with this 920 into 1282 and click on the download option. And I'm not a robot. And boom. So now I just need to remove the background from this image. I want the transparent PNG background, and this one is the right now the JPEG. So I think I'm gonna use one of the free website out there. They have the paid option as well, but they have the free option. So I'm just remover. Now this is one website guys, that is a remove.bg. Now this still has the free and the paid both plan, but preferably for us we can use the free plan as well. So I'm just gonna go over to here and remove background from the image. So I'm just gonna go over to the upload image section and we're just gonna drop the file over here. So I'm gonna click over to this section. Okay guys, I have uploaded this image. Now this image is uploading and let's see how they are removing the background from the image. So boom guys, you can see very well they have removed the background from the image and it's looking perfect now. So I'm just gonna download this image. You can download the full image in the HD as well. That's a 920 into 1282 pixels. And that's the best quality up to 25 megapixels, and this one is a 0.25 megapixel, the good quality. So you can download the image in whatever file format you want, and I'm just going to download in the normal one, not going into the HD. Now the image is downloaded. Now there are two ways in which you can go by that, guys. One thing, you can go into the Photoshop or Illustrator or any other professional software and can use that image and can edit them. Another thing you could do, if you are not okay with using the Photoshop and if you don't have a designer experience, then I have one software for you which a newbie can also use, and you don't need a designer experience. You don't need that tool is Canva. So we're just gonna go over to the Canva, and I'm gonna use this image and edit them, and so that we can use them onto the print on demand. Either way, you can also go into the Photoshop. It's so much easy and convenient. So I'm just gonna go over to the Canva. Now guys, this is the Canva. So we're just gonna create a design and pick up a white canvas. Now there are so many sizes, so I'm just gonna go to the custom size, and we'll probably pick up the 4000 into 4000 pixels. Now guys, you can take more size, you can take whatever size you want, but I preferably tend to take sometimes 4000 into 4000 pixels. You can probably go into the 6000 or 5000, whatever it is, guys. So like click on the create new design option. This white canvas, now we need to upload our image that we have already get from the PNG background. So I'm just gonna click over to the upload media, and we're just gonna go and upload that file over here. Let me just maximize it. So you can see it's a white transparent background. The black background that was there before in the original image is being removed. Now still you can see that this image is similar to the original one, so we need to modify them. So probably what I'm gonna do over here, you can be creative over here, guys. You can play with the different ideas and you can test the different things. So what I'm gonna do personally, guys, and I love this thing, although I don't do it, I don't download the images from PIXABAY or Pexels and modify, edit them and upload them. I made my own design from scratch. But one thing I'm gonna do over here, so we're just gonna go over to the element section in the Canva, and in the element section in the Canva, you get multiple different kinds of graphics. So I think I'm gonna use some graphics, maybe animal, or maybe a whatever suits to you. So I'm just gonna pick up an animal. Let's see. Now there are so many different animals. You can use whatever you want. You can either write the text over this design as well. Like either way you want to do it. It depends on you guys. But I think I'm gonna pick up one face of the animal. So let's see which face of the animal I can pick up. Or either I can just write over here the dog. I'm more interested in dog or cat. So I'm just gonna click over to the dog. Now the dog boy is also there, and preferably you can go and pick up that one as well. Yeah, this one is thing. Now if I'm just gonna click over to here, or either I just let me scroll down a bit more and see if I got some other dog face in the free plan of the Canva. Okay, this one is again there, so probably I can use this one as well, or that one, whatever I choose. This one is also there. So I'm gonna choose this one. So here we are, guys. Now if you just see over here, there are so many different faces. Now you can preferably go with anyone out there, whichever suits to you. Or I think I'm gonna see somewhere else. Just click over to the see all section, and these are all the faces. You can also use the face of the animated human being as well. This one is the girl, the boy, and so on. So let me see which one I'm gonna use over here. I'm getting confused, guys, because there are so many different options and I feel like I need to use all of them. So preferably I'm just gonna use them. I started with the dog one and ended with the human face. Anyways, guys, so just maximize it, and I will going to adjust in this flower. I think it's too much maximized, so let me just minimize a bit. Now here what I need to do, I need to change the color of this flower. So either you can go over to the filter section or you can go over to the edges. So I'm just going to go to the adjust and I'm going to increase the brightness and contrast as well and change the tint. You can play around with the ideas, guys. You can do it the way you want to do it. Anyways, now I'm just gonna click over to this area, and I think I need to minimize it because it's looking too much large. So I'm just gonna click over here, and we're just gonna change the color, the image of this one as well. So this one also you can animate it, but there is no use of the animation. So I think I preferably have some sort of a goggles or maybe some type of a bow or hairband, something like that. So let me just type the glasses. Now there are so many glasses, guys. You can pick up any glasses you want to, but I think I'm gonna go according to her face. Like, you can be creative, guys. Just play around with the ideas. You don't need to be perfect over here, and you don't need to be a designer to do that. I think I will preferably go this one. I was looking on that. So just click over here. Wow, it's looking perfect. She's looking so cute. But I think I'm just gonna change the color to preferably this one. No. Let me try some different color. Black? Or maybe some other color. Green? I don't like the green color as the goggles, but anyways, let me just choose the black only. So you can see we have taken this one portion of this flower and we have put the image of this girl over here. Now if you don't want this leaf texture over area, then you can probably just crop that. Boom. Let me just crop a little bit more because it's still visible to me. Boom, guys. So this is the design, and now you can see no one can even remember that I took this design from the answer to the PIXABAY or Pexels, whatever it is. Either way, you can have a hairband as well. So let me just play around with this, guys, because I'm having fun with that. So hairband. Okay, so here we are. There are so many different hairbands. Now I think I'm just gonna pick up any single hairband over here. Most of them are in the paid section, so I think I'll preferably go this one. Okay, so you can try these as well. Now it's looking perfect on her head. No, I just need to. Now it's looking perfect, but I need to change the color because it's the white, it's not visible. If I'm going to change it to the purple, it's still not visible. Let me pick up as a blue. See some other hairbands over here to check which one best fits to this particular image. Let me see. I think I won't be using this one. I would be using this one. It's looking cute. This girl will going to look cute in this. So adjust this over here, and I need to change the color. So preferably I'm gonna go with, if it's a purple, no. You can't use the blue and purple because we are already having blue and purple too much in the background. So if I'm gonna use a pink, then I need to darken it so that it's visible. So I'm just gonna go over here, and no, it's not looking good. If I'm just pick a black one, or I think I'm just gonna pick up a red one so that it would be visible. Yes, and just choose a little bit more darker red. So this is the image, guys. You can see that I took this flower from the PIXABAY and I added them, I modified them in such a beautiful way that no one can even remember that. You can even go and further add the filter to this particular thing, and you can adjust the flower, you can increase the saturation, and you can do whatever you want to do with it, guys. And you can see I'm increasing this, and yeah, so you can see how amazing this design is looking, guys. So you can in the Canva itself. You don't need to go with the Photoshop if you are
see that the Photoshop is not better for you, you don't need to go with that. Now guys, if you're using the Canva Pro, then you're obviously getting the transparent PNG option. You can get the file in that, but since this is a free one I'm using currently. I'm using the free plan, so I don't have the transparent PNG option. So I just need to download in the PNG format, and I'm just going to download it, and later on I can go onto this remove background website, and I can remove the white background from this design. So that's it guys, or either way you can also go into the Photoshop and can remove the white background of this design. That is guys, this is so simple and so easy. You can see that what I have done, I just played around with the different ideas. I pick up the different graphics from the Canva itself, I then added them, modified them, changed the color, and I adjusted according to the design. So this is the thing guys, you can just do it and play around. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's all.
So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more such content in the upcoming future. So consider subscribing, and that's all for today's video guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, you find it useful. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.